Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to INFINITI of Nashua, we have our 2023 Lexus GX460. This one has the premium package, and it is in probably the coolest spec there is. What is it? Eminent white with the red interior. Memory seats down here. Headlight washers, which you have to have headlights on, and you push this. Oh, I'm an idiot. Absolute idiot. Sorry, guys. That's how they work. They do that. Oh. Sweet headliner, sunroof. Plenty of back seat room. Rear hatch. One of the cool features of the GX460. 4.6 liter V8. .301 horse. Six-speed auto. 62,345 original MSRP. With these big body on frame SUVs, off-roading is absolutely easy. You do have downhill crawl control, your four-wheel drive. This is a touchscreen, as well as using your touchpad down here. Lock center diff, which it does work in 4-high. Cool. Oh, love this V8. I'm just amazed at how smooth this thing drives too. It's just such a comfortable car. The seats are great, seating position very up high. Obviously, body on frame SUV, it's gonna be an up high seating position. I think these are hydraulic brakes, which I love the sound of them. You get that little I believe 23 was the last year for these. I'm like 99% sure on that, which meant it was the last year of the V8 and obviously last year of the 6-speed. This transmission and engine setup is bulletproof. These things run forever. I don't exactly know what you're doing, and I don't think you do either. Use some weight transfer to your advantage on this thing. Trail brake in, bleed off the brake, roll to the power. Chalk Macan base S. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.